गोल्डन गर्ल पीटी उषा आज स्टेडियम पर मौजूद है, एक अच्छी बात है। लेन ऑर्डर एडलिना अखमटोवा फ्रॉम कजाकिस्तान, लेन नंबर 1 सयाकायोगी जापान, लेन नंबर 2 गोयन थी वियतनाम, लेन नंबर 3 मनामी कीरा जापान, लेन नंबर 4 जोना मुर्मू भारत की एथलीट, लेन नंबर 5 मर्जेन ईशान कुलिएवा, लेन नंबर 6 कजाकिस्तान, लेन नंबर 7 आर अनु फ्रॉम इंडिया, लेन नंबर 8 अर्पिता एम भारत से।
So 3 Indians out here at the last Asian Championships. The first of them on your picture frame is Adalina Ekmatova, and she is representing Kazakhstan. Well, 54.898 her personal best in 2017, a bronze medalist at the Asian Youth Championships Doha 15.
जी हां, सबसे युवा एथलीट, महज 19 वर्षीय, 2015 बिफोर लास्ट ईयर एशियन यूथ चैंपियनशिप का ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आपने जीता था दोहा में, और यह है सबसे सीनियर एथलीट 31 वर्षीय सयाका आओकी, जापान की नेशनल चैंपियन, बेस्ट टाइमर रहे हैं सीजन की 56.32।
And we will now come up to the girl from Vietnam. She is also very experienced, 25 years old. Here she is, Yuan Thi Yuan, personal best of 56.15, Asian Junior Champion at Colombo 12 long back, 5th in the Asian Championships in Pune 2013. So she should be amongst the favorites out here as well.
लेन नंबर 4 ये भी फेवरेट रहेंगी, मनामी कीरा, 002 जापान, पिछले 2 संस्करण की सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट, 2015 वुहान में रजत पदक जीता, और पुणे 2013 वहां भी रजत पदक विजेता रही थी 400 मीटर हर्डल्स में।
And India, the first of them, this is the girl, the favorite, Jona Murmu, 56.88 2010, and this year 57.51, 4th in the Asian Games at Guangzhou. Will she be amongst the medals is the big question.
लेन नंबर 6 मर्जेन ईशान कुलिएवा, कजाकिस्तान की एथलीट, लेन नंबर 6 पर अपनी दावेदारी प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
Coming up now will be Anu Raghavan, or Anu as she is popularly known. Her best is 57.39. She will have to do better than that. She's a broad smile on her face, and that is the confidence, I'm sure. Oh, she'll praise to the gods and says, can I do it out here?
2015 में पिछले संस्करण में चौथे स्थान पर रही थी आर अनु, निश्चित रूप से वो स्थिति सुधारना चाहेंगी। लेन नंबर 8 में रहेंगी अर्पिता एम, यह है अर्पिता एम, लेन नंबर 8 भारत की एक और एथलीट। तो 3 भारतीय हैं इस मुकाबले में। मुकाबला दिलचस्प रहेगा, और सबसे बड़ी बात है इस मुकाबले में सबसे बड़ी कहानी गढ़ी थी ट्रैक पर महिला वर्ग से। उड़न परी पीटी उषा, 1984 लॉस एंजल्स ओलंपिक, सेकंड के 100वें हिस्से से वो मेडल जरूर चूकी थी, लेकिन दिल जीता था।
Yes, the world record is in the name of Yulia Pechkinova of Russia of 52.34. That's only of academic interest. The Asian record, 2 of them share it, 53.96. Hang Quen of China and the other Chinese, Song Yi Luan. A quarter of a lap, staggered starts. The lineup there for the 400 meters women's, the meet record, Kimi Adiokoya of Bahrain, 54.31. It's Adalina in 1, Akoi in 2, Thi in 3, Kira in 4, Murmu of India in 5, Merjan in 6, Anu R, and along with her is M. Arpita. The crowd packed out here. Wonderful crowd. They will now be on their blocks. Wait for the starters' orders. Modern hurdling requires the athlete. Excellent hurdling. There you are. The technique combined with tremendous sprinting ability. And in all cases, whether it's the shorter hurdles or the 400, the sprinting ability is absolutely essential. Well, they've got back again. The crowd was silent. There was no disturbance. But there was something which upset one of them to take it all over again. So once again the lineup here for you as this, the tricolor, will it flutter? 3 Indians in the fray. Jona Murmu, the experienced Jona Murmu. She's 27 years old. Her personal best in 2010, 7 years back, of 56.88. This year 57.51. That will not do good. She's got to better it. Along with her, you got Anu R and Arpita M. They've got to run in the same lanes in the entire 400 meters.
जाहिर सी बात है अनुभव काम कर सकता है. लेन नंबर 5 जोना मुर्मू, लेन नंबर 7 आर अनु, लेन नंबर 8 अर्पिता एम. यहां पर आपने गायें रख सकते हैं, लेकिन फेवरेट रहेंगी लेन नंबर 2 सयाका आयोकी, लेन नंबर 3 गोयन थी और लेन नंबर 4 मनामी कीरब.
Yes, the two Japanese and the Vietnamese, Aoki, Yuen and Kira. They're off their blocks now. The first 10 meters, the Japanese has got a good start. So too is the Vietnamese. So too is the Japanese. The Japanese is the first of them to go through. In the outside, it's got to be Arpita and Anu. Who is taking the first of them out there? Yes, a wonderful take there. In the outside, that's for Juna Momo. So too is our Anu. Striking it away in great style. Oh, this is turning out to be a brilliant race. Will the Indians get back into the fray? On the outside, you got Kazakhstan with Merchin. There is the Indian. Is this going to be an upset? Remember, there's a disadvantage. But coming in the inside, in lane 2 is Sayoki Oku. The Indian crowd out here on his feet. It's lane number 2. Is it Japan? Is it Vietnam? The Japanese is struggling. Nyung Thi of Vietnam is strong. She's got the lead of about 10 meters. I can see an Indian off your picture frame in the silver medal position. But it is lane 3. Is it? Or lane 2, no it is, as I said, Thi of Vietnam. But what a race it was from an Indian perspective as well. Didn't I say that Nguyen Thi of Vietnam will be one of the favorites? The Japanese are the old war horses, but the Vietnamese Prashant was absolutely superb. But let me tell you that the Indians with a wonderful second out there has got a silver, hopefully for India.
तो बढ़िया कंपटीशन रहा. कुछ देर पहले जिस तरीके से सुधा सिंह ने बिल्कुल एक तरफा रेस जीती थी, एक बार फिर देखने को मिला किस तरीके से वियतनाम के एथलीट आगे बढ़े. 10 हर्डल्स पार करने होते हैं एक मुकाबले में. वियतनाम के एथलीट सबसे आगे. मार्जिन कितना था, अंतर कितना था, आप ये देख सकते हैं.
Yes, the Japanese struggled. The Japanese had a lead with 100 meters to go, but there was no question that Thi was the leader all the way through. And in lane 7, Anu Raghavan, who has been amongst the top 10 hurdlers in the year. This is where the Japanese started to falter. She was in the lead. This is where the Indian in your picture frame now, in lane number 7, which is our Anu Raghavan. She really caught up in wonderful style out there. The Vietnamese on that hurdle struggled a wee bit, but it didn't really matter because she had built up a lead of well over 5 meters, and from there on she didn't look back to win the gold, the silver to India, and I think the bronze to the Japanese. And look at the joy out there.